Hi everyone. In this video, we're diving into a fascinating and highly practical topic, LLM inference. If you're working with large language models, or even if you're just curious about how tools like ChatGPT or Bard work behind the scenes, this video is for you. Let's start with the basics. Inference is the process of using a trained model to make predictions or generate outputs. For LLMs, this means taking your input, whether it's a question, a prompt, or a piece of text, and generating a response. For example, when you ask a chatbot, "What is the capital of France?" the trained model processes your input and responds with Paris. That's inference in action. But here's the catch. LLM inference is computationally intensive. Why? Because these models are massive, with billions of parameters that need to be processed for every response. This introduces challenges like latency, high compute costs, and scalability issues. So how do we tackle these problems? Stick around because I'll be sharing some powerful strategies. But first, let's discuss the challenges of LLM inference in detail. Latency. For real-time applications like chatbots, slow responses can be frustrating. Compute and memory. Running inference requires powerful GPUs or TPUs and a lot of memory to store and process model weights. Cost. Whether you're running your LLM on the cloud or on-premise, the computational cost can add up quickly. Scalability. Handling millions of requests per second while maintaining performance is no small feat. Now let's get to the good part, how to optimize LLM inference. Here are some proven strategies. First, we have quantization. Quantization reduces the precision of model weights, for example, from 32-bit to 8-bit, without significant loss in accuracy. This speeds up computations and reduces memory usage. Quantized models are lighter and faster, making them perfect for real-time applications like chatbots. Next up, distillation. Here, you train a smaller student model to mimic the behavior of a larger teacher model. This drastically reduces the size of the model while maintaining most of its performance. Distilled models are particularly useful when deploying AI on devices with limited hardware, like mobile phones. Another technique is batching requests. Instead of processing every request individually, group multiple inputs together and process them in parallel. This improves throughput by leveraging the parallel processing capabilities of GPUs. Other strategies include pruning, removing less critical parts of the model to make it smaller and faster. Using specialized hardware, leverage AI accelerators like NVIDIA TensorRT for cost-effective inference. Distributed inference. Spread the workload across multiple GPUs or nodes to handle massive requests efficiently. And don't forget about prompt engineering. Crafting concise, efficient prompts can reduce the computational load significantly. And why is it helpful? Imagine you're building a chatbot for customer support. By optimizing inference, you can reduce latency and improve customer satisfaction, all while cutting down costs. Now, let's take a quick look at some emerging trends in inference. Multimodal models. These models handle text, images, and audio inputs, opening up new possibilities for applications like virtual assistants. Edge deployment. Smaller optimized models can run directly on edge devices, reducing reliance on cloud infrastructure. Adaptive inference. Dynamically allocate resources based on input complexity. Light inputs get processed faster, while complex ones get more compute power. And that's all for now. Whether you're building chatbots, search engines, or even healthcare applications, mastering LLM inference is crucial for delivering real-time, scalable, and cost-efficient solutions. If you're keen on learning more about LLMs and other similar topics, you must check out our course on mastering generative AI. To do so, simply sign up or sign in at www.mycareernext.com. Next, create your profile to personalize your learning experience. Then, navigate to the Explore tab and select Trainings. And finally, you can enroll in the course, Mastering Generative AI, and take your skills to the next level. At myCareerNext, we're not just a learning platform. We're your career partner, guiding you from day one of learning to landing your dream role in AI, ML, and emerging tech. Our unique career enhancement plan provides a personalized, step-by-step roadmap with trainings, assessments, hands-on projects, mock interviews, and coaching that surpass the rigor of traditional master's or PhD programs. With our AI-powered platform, you'll receive real-time, bias-free feedback to keep you on track and future-proof your career. And at myCareerNext, we also ensure that you stay ahead of the curve with all the job-ready skills that employers demand. So join thousands of professionals on a seamless journey of endless learning, earning, and career growth only at myCareerNext.